morning, everyone. Today is 20th November, and I'll be doing, as usual, pre-market analysis for the ESNQ and different stock ticker. So let's get started. So as you can see, currently I'm on ES chart. So I'll not go through the higher time frame now. Yesterday I already did. If you want, you can watch yesterday's video. Let's go through the on a 1 hour time frame. So yesterday we were here at the start of the market, and what I was thinking that this was the consolidation on 4 hour. So this was the tiny inside candle inside this one, and if we zoom, this was the major resistance, 4 hour major resistance, and we were thinking about the inside day yesterday because of the Nvidia earning. So the thought process was any pop, we should fed that pop towards the downside, and exactly at the market open that we got a pop on 15-minute time frame. If we see, so currently I'm switching back to the 15-minute. So we got a pop exactly at the level, and on maybe on the 5-minute on the bearish candlestick. So this was the bearish candlestick. Here if you see, this bearish candle followed by the all the bear bar, you could have shorted this the move all the way till towards the lower end of the range, or you could have taken the profit here also. So this was my main level, but we faded entire move yesterday, and after the Nvidia earning, we have reclaimed this level, which is 6700. So if I'm zooming back towards the 4 hour time frame, so if we see, so we were trading around this range. So this range we were trading, and then we had a breakout yesterday, clean breakout, and then we didn't get any retest, but all are bullish candlestick. So next, where is the next path of resistance, so which is at 6800. If you see towards the left hand side, so this was the major resistance previously, one time, two time. So this was acting as a resistance here also. So I'm expecting some reaction at 6800, which is a psychological number also. And at the open, if you see on the 15-minute, after the Nvidia earning, is only the bullish pattern here. So this is the range it formed, and now it's a range breakout here. So this range it has formed, and then we are going towards the upside, targeting 6800. Let's see at open how price react, but at the moment my bias is bullish as long as we hold this support, which is a 6700. In case we go down and retest this one, I'm open for the long opportunity, because then this is just a fake out, then the range reclaim, retest, and then we are moving towards the higher part of the range. In case we do the ORB directly, which is high likely as per the price action, so this could be the target 6802, and in case we make a huge move, then next target is 6878. So these are the key level in my opinion. One is 6700, another is 6800, and third one is 6880. So, and also this was the previous day high, and as long as we are above this 68708, we are bullish at the moment. NQ also it's similar. So if you see, this was the major resistance. This was a major support previously, one time, two time, three times. Then we had a breakdown, Yesterday we back tested this, we came down, and then after that this 4 hour bullish candlestick, it was there, and we got a follow through above this candlestick, which is above 25k. So anything above 25k, uh, I am moving towards the bullish side to test at least this level, 28 360. If you see, it's moving in well below. So this was the range, and we had a breakout. So it's front run, not exactly the level retest happened, and now we are breaking out again, retesting the 25 350. So watch out 25 350, and in case we break out about 25 350, we can go towards this 25 720. So look for the reaction at this one, and 25k, which is also round number. It's a good long zone in case we back test at the open. So 25k, 25 350 or 360, and 25 730 is my point of interest. Overall, I am bullish on both ES and NQ. Let's go to the Nvidia chart. So if you remember, yesterday we discussed this support. So 179, we were testing multiple times. So 4 5 times we retested this, and if you see the price action wise, we were making the lower highs, and then now after the earning we broke this sequence, and we are above this main lower high, which is 192.5. and any back test, so we had a good breakout. So any back tests at 192.5, my next level is 200. 200 is a psychological number, which is also this major pivot point, this one. So in case we do the ORB towards upside, so 200k is a good level to take the profit, and 202. Why the 202? So if we see this was the range form. We had a breakdown, then the retest of this range, and we went down. So here sellers are present at the 202 and also at 200. So keep an eye on these two level for any rejection, basically to fed the rally. And in case we go towards the 192, then 192.3 could be a possible long, and ORB target could be around 200 and 202. Yeah, AMD, let's look at AMD. If you see, we had a multiple support, multiple times we tested this one 225, and then yesterday we went below 225 till 220. It was quite bearish, but after the Nvidia earning, AMD pumped, as it's in the same sector, and then we reclaimed the 225 basically. So any back test toward 225, watch out for the reaction at 225. So we are saying that this was the range. Previously we had a breakdown but no follow through. Then in case we back test this and get a support, then we can rotate towards the 242. And in case we go below 225, I think it's a good short opportunity all the way towards the, if you zoom on the higher time frame, so this is the range. So in case we go below 225, or not go below, acceptance below the 225, the rejection below the 225, so I'll be expecting towards the 210. I'm not going to do the ORB on AMD, so I'm waiting for 225 to see the reaction. So Nvidia is a good candidate for the ORB in case that happens. I'm also watching another ticker, CRWV. So if you see, it has bidden up heavily. So it's from this high, 150 high, we went 50% down. And yeah, uh, on a higher type frame, we don't have much support. If you see, uh, we this was the low volume node, I mean low volume area, and we are in the middle. But in case we reclaim back this 85 level, so in case we reclaim 85, we can rotate towards the 100. So again, the AI related play. uh, so keep an eye at 85. In case we get a rejection, that could also be a short opportunity, or reclaim back 85, so rotation towards the 105. So I'm looking for a swing opportunity here above the 85. I will enter into the swing. So if we see on the 1 hour time frame, uh, after this low, we made a higher low here, and then this sequence has broken, and then we are starting now the higher high and higher low sequence from here. On the higher time frame, I already explained this level. So in case we go below 80k again, I mean $80 again, so I'm not interested. Only reclaim of 85. I'm looking for a long opportunity. Any questions? I'm not checking the questions. Let me see. Then yes. Okay, no questions so far.
Sorry, on the CRWP, do you not see the drop as basically a breakdown that is actually now a retest, and it may go down
This
again?
one, right? This one. Yeah,
Yeah.
this was the consolidation, and
Now, if
we
you go
made a breakout, and the retest is happened at $80.
now, what I mean, if you go on a larger time frame, let's say
Yeah.
1 day or so,
Uh-huh.
we've had we've had a drop below 85,
Yeah.
broke below 85, and now it has retested 85 again. So is it not likely that actually drops again
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
way
of
down?
course, the possibility is there. That's why I set alert at 85 to see the reaction. So if we get a bearish reaction, I mean, for the intraday, it's good. It's a great short opportunity, right? Because then,
That was the 65. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
yeah. So this region, any bearish candlestick pattern around this region is a good shot. But in case we reclaim back this level, then that's the range will continue. So this range, it was in, then in case we reclaim back again, we will rotate towards the 104. So this is an important level in my opinion. So watch out for the reaction, any a short or long, both will work.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any AI related interested ticker you guys are watching, which are doing well in the pre-market?
Can we have Meta, please?
Yeah, yeah. I'm going towards the meta after the hood. So hood is looking interesting to me, because if you see from this point, so this is where the buyer were present, and from here price went till 153. We had a retest here, and this was the support, which is around 120. And then at the pre-market we are at 121.2. So the main daily support is 120, around 120 level. So this one 120, and below this one 113, which is not at the moment. Prices is at 121, so we don't need to think about that 113 level. So in case, so this is a daily level 120. In case we go above the pre-market high, so this is the pre-market high. So in case we do the ORB and go towards the pre-market high, I mean break above the pre-market high, then this could be a range I'll be playing above 123. 127 could be the target, and next target is directly towards this one, 132. In case we break down, also good shot towards the 116. So this is a good major level, and we are sitting right exactly at the level. Yeah, Google is quite interesting to me. Yeah, yesterday we discussed about it, and this was a good breakout happen. So when we were here, we said that compared to the whole market, Google is strong. Above, I think this here it was the Google when we were doing analysis, and any so we said that anything above the 189 we are going towards the one anything about 289 we are going towards the 292 and towards the 300. So that is what exactly happened. 230 300 303 it went. So if you see on the higher time frame, 291 is a it was a major level, and then we went till 300. We had a back test of this all-time high level, which is 292. So yesterday also it was a good long opportunity of at the 292. If we zoom out, this is what the level is. 291.7, not exactly, but this was the area. So after on the 15 minute, once we broke down this leg, so we were consolidated here, and we broke this range. So this could have been a good long opportunity at 295 targeting 300, but now it has gone sky is the limit. So it's above this pivot also. So watch out. This I don't have any level now at the moment. It's sitting at the 305, but in case what is that level? Key level, right? Maybe this could act as a support and resistance. Yesterday's close, which is at 292, and pre-market low is 297. Not going to long it here, it's already extended. Let's look at the Meta. I was looking at the Meta since long time, but it's going down only on weekly time frame also. It's bearish at the moment, but previous week high is this one, 608. 608 is the one, and if you look towards the left, this was the range previously. So I will extend this range. That's why I was bullish at 600 level, but uh, it went below the 600, so my stop loss got hit. But again we are reclaiming 600 level. So on the lower time frame, anything above this pivot, so on the 1 hour, this was acting as a resistance, 1 2 3. So we are breaking out at the moment, but any ORB to above 602, I think target should be this 615, because then we had this range followed by this breakout retest, went down, then we are reclaiming this range. So a range highs should be the target after going above the 602. No no bearish, I mean at the moment price action wise it's looking bullish at the moment. I mean on higher time frame not, but on the lower time frame we are testing this support multiple times. Any breakout will lead to the 615 circle. I think we discussed about this circle, right? So on losing of 105, I was saying that we don't have any support resistance, so it went all the way till a pre-IPO level, so which is around 64. The close or the open price is at 69. Still it has bidden up a lot, but I'm keeping an eye on Circle. uh, this ticker has a lot of dependency on how the crypto market does. So in case Bitcoin does well, then ultimately this will do well, but it's at the good level at the moment. Maybe it will do some accumulation now. I don't expect all the way rotation towards 106. Maybe some accumulation, and after that maybe some reversal happen. And not from the intraday perspective. I'm not looking at Circle at the moment because crypto is not doing well. Yeah. So basically I'm watching Nvidia, AMD, Meta, and NQ. Basically NQ has a good range to cover, so good opportunity today in the market because the price action wise we are already above the previous day high. Anyone want to share anything? Let me know.
Sujit, what do you think of Tesla?
Yeah, Tesla. Uh, yeah, I mean, after breaking down this range, I was bearish till 368. But if you see price action wise, after this retest, we are not really going down. We are in sideways range. So this after the back test, I was expecting to make a lower low leg, but instead of that, Tesla is strong compared to the rest of the market, so it's trying to make a upward movement. So anything above the 420, I think it could be a long. At the moment, if we don't go below 400, I'm not looking for a short opportunity because on the lower time frame it's making a higher high and a higher low sequence at the moment.
Will you consider ORB from 410?
Sorry.
Will you consider like ORB from 410 on the long side?
410.
If it hold the 410 towards the 420.
I mean, for Tesla, it's quite choppy range. So maybe if you look towards the left, so this was the support. So this was the support. Then again, it chop around the support. It's not exactly holding the support. And if you see here also, it was a support which could act as a resistance. So these are multiple time support held, and then we broke down, we back tested this, and now we are sandwiching between this 408 and 423. So quite tricky. I don't want to do or be in such a choppy range. Would be fake out. But anything above 424, then I think we can go towards the 460.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I think then that's it from my side. Best of luck. I think Jackie is in call. Okay, good luck. Bye.